Hello students, last class we had studied the controls which are available in the toolbox of a VBA IDE. Today let us study the tools of Visual Basics. Events. Visual Basic is an event-driven programming language. An event is an action initiated either by the user, example by clicking on a command button or selecting an option button, or by the code. So this event, it is an action that is initiated by that is selected by the student. The user is selecting his trying to do some action. That action is the event by clicking on the command button or selecting the option button or any code, or by the code. Like code means you have written some program. That program is saying, that code is saying to perform some action. That is an event. An event procedure is a sub procedure written for a control and is executed automatically when an event occurs. So this event procedure, it is the sub procedure written for the tool controls available in the toolbox for that, and to execute automatically when the event occurs. That is, you have written a program in that you have written the code for what checkbox. So when the program is being executed line by line, it starts running, right, compiling. So when it sees the checkbox event, it has to proceed, it has to view the checkbox in the form. So sub procedures are always enclosed within the sub and end sub statements. So in your program, while writing, if you are selecting an event of checkbox, you need to include an event of selecting a checkbox. Then you have to write in between the command, that is code, sub and end sub. Between these two statements, you have to write your code for the checkbox event. These event procedures are written in the code window in the VB. So there is a code window in the VB. There you need to write all these procedures. Code window. Code window is used to write, display and edit Visual Basic code. So in this window, you write the code, that is your programs, and it will display and you can edit the code. Code window consists of two main elements, object box and a procedure box. Very important students, the main elements of code windows, object box and a procedure box. So here you can see, this is the code window where you're writing the code and it will display and you can edit the code. Next, object box displays the name of the selected form or control. It contains a list of all the objects associated with the form. So this object box will display the name selected for the form. It will display the name that you have selected for the form, and it will have all the list, that what are all the objects you want it in a form. So it will have that list. Procedure or event box lists all the events from the form or the control selected in the object box. So this procedure, or it is also called as event box, it has the list of all the events of the form. That is, you have first event as checkbox, next option button, list box, like this. So it will have all the list of the events that you have selected for your form. When we select an event from the event box, the procedure associated with the selected event is displayed in the code window. So in the code window, it will display you the procedure which you have selected. Like if you have selected for a checkbox, it will display in the code box, code window. We can open the code window for the form or for a specific control. So what are the steps that are used to open for a form and a control? Let us see. Very important, students. To open the code window for a form, step 1, you have to right click on the form in the Project Explorer and select the View Code option from the menu. At the right side, you will have a Project Explorer. You have to right click on the Project Explorer and you will have a menu list. In that, you have to select the View Code. Next, after that, select the form name in the Project Explorer. In the Project Explorer, it will have a list of all your projects. So click on it, select the form name, click on the View menu in the menu bar and select the code option for the menu or press the function key F7. So at the right side, you will have a Project Explorer. Click on the View menu from the menu bar. First, select the form name which you want, like class 9 is the form name. Select it and click on the View menu in the menu bar and select the code option in the menu. You will have one more sub menu. In that, select the code option. You can select the code option, or when you select the View menu, you can directly click F7 in your keyboard. To open the code window for a control, step 1, double click on the control. Select the control on the form layout window. Click on the View menu in the menu bar and select the code option from the menu or press the function F7. So to open the code window for control, first double click on the control. Double click, then select the form layout window, then click on View menu here in the menu bar. This is the menu bar. Click on the View menu in the menu bar and select the code, or you can directly press F7 in your keyboard. Next, form. The form is the primary building block of a Visual Basic application. So for a VBA, the form is the primary building block. In the VBA IDE, the default form added when we insert a user form is user form 1. So in VBA, the default form, that is the form added when you have created any form or you have inserted any user form, the default form is user form 1. When we double click on the form name in the Project Explorer, the form will be displayed in the form layout window, and the properties window will display the characteristics of the form and their values. So when you double click on the form name in the right side, at the right side Project Explorer, That form will display the form layout window, and the downside you will have a properties window that will display what are the characteristics of the form and their values, like what is the border size or what you have selected. That properties will be shown in your property window. We can change the name, width, height, background color, border, etc. for the form by editing the values in the property window. In the property windows, you will have all the values of the frame, background and all. You can edit all those. You can change those by editing the values in the property windows. Thank you, students.